Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be learning how to tie gele. Yes, we'll be learning how to tie this beautiful gele. If this is your first time here, my name is DoliveB, and on this channel I share headwear tutorials, business growth and social media tips. If you like what you're seeing and you'd like to see more of my content, please join the family by clicking on the subscribe button and then turn on your notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now the length of my ashoke is about 76 inches and the width is 3 lines joined together. That is 3 awe as called in Yoruba land. 3 awe joined together to make the width part. Okay, so I'm going to fold in the edge in and create pleats, which I already did. As you can see, I created 3 pleats and then I placed it on my head. So the hands are going to be equal. That's what you have on the left hand side should be what you should have on the right hand side, and I'm trying to extend the pleats towards my ears, okay, downwards. All right, so after which I'm going to take the 2 hands to the back and cross over. So you will notice that I have rolled my hair, my braids in form of a donut. Okay, I'm also going to be leaving that part open while tying the gele, but if you want your gele to totally cover your head, please make sure you cover your hair. After crossing the 2 ends over each other at the back, I'm going to twist each of them towards the front. Okay, so today's shout out goes to Nikki Concept, watching from Akure, Ondo State, Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you would like me to give you a shout out in my next video, can you leave a comment below stating where you're watching this video from? I bring them upwards and cross one over each other like this. Okay, make sure that the crossing over falls on the center of the head, as you can use the nose to get that part. Okay, make sure it falls on the center. All right, so I'm taking one of the hand backwards using the office pin to secure it. So make sure that you secure it properly. If it means using more than one piece of pin, please go ahead and do so. Okay, so I just secured it like that with my pins, and then I move to the other side. So for the other hand, I'm just going to push it up like this. I'm trying to make sure that the cross pass falls on the center of my head, so I'll just pleat it from the top downwards and bring one side of the hand this way and pin it down to secure it right there. Okay, I bring this other side like this. I pleated, I'm just forming pleats, and I'm forming pleats, and I'm just going to secure it right there with office pins. Okay, at this point I'm trying to arrange the pleats just to make it look more defined and beautiful. And I also push the gele a little bit backwards so that I can have some part of my hairs in front visible. This makes your gele look very, very fine on you. Okay, and then look at the back view. Look at it. Can you see how beautiful this gele is? If you want more tutorials on gele tying, please kindly leave a comment below saying yes, I want more tutorials on gele tying. And this leads us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.